Welcome to Unfold Data Science, friends. My name is Aman and I am a data scientist. Other day I was just googling for my work on machine learning and I was surprised to see people are searching something like if machine learning is a subset of deep learning. So what do you think? Is machine learning a subset of deep learning, or is this question wrong? It should be other way around. Is deep learning is a subset of machine learning? How is machine learning and deep learning related, and why there is some confusion still between machine learning and deep learning? We will know answer to all these questions in this video. Let us start one by one. So if you ask me guys, the query like if machine learning is a subset of deep learning is very similar to the query if engines are subset of bikes. Okay? If engines are subset of bikes. Do you think engines are subset of bikes? No. Engine is a concept, is a machine, and bike is an implementation of that concept. Similarly, car is other implementation of the same concept. Planes is other implementation of the same concept. So, deep learning is an implementation of something known as AI. Machine learning is also an implementation of something known as AI, which stands for artificial intelligence. Now, how is machine learning and deep learning different? We will go into that, but before that, all the algorithms, all the techniques which you heard of till now, be it linear regression, logistic regression, CNN, RNN, LSTM, all these algorithms are built to do a particular specific task in a particular specific way. For example, if we go back to our engine and bike example, right? Bikes are there to do a specific task with its own advantages and disadvantages. Similarly, all the algorithms which you have heard till now have its own advantages and disadvantages, and it is there to do one particular kind of task in which it is very good. For example, CNN algorithms are good in image classification type of use cases. What you say about support vector machines? Support vector machines perform really well if you have some kind of kernel pattern in your data, right? Linear regression will work well if you have some kind of linear relation in your data. All these algorithms are built to do one particular task well in a particular way with its own advantages and disadvantages. Now, how is machine learning different from deep learning? As I told you, AI is the higher level umbrella under which we have machine learning. Now, what is AI? AI is nothing but making artificial intelligence. So by default, machines are not intelligent, you and me know. Machines, if we want to make them intelligent, that process is called feeding intelligence in machines. That is nothing but artificial intelligence. How to do that? There are various ways. One way is using machine learning. Inside machine learning, we have different techniques. So you would have heard of linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, support vector machines, maybe random forest, maybe Bayesian boosting techniques. All these are different techniques in machine learning implementation. Out of all these techniques, there is one more technique which uses a specific type of way to train the model. That technique uses something called as an artificial neuron to train the model, and this gives birth to the whole set of families of algorithm which is known as deep learning. Okay, so what is level 1 difference between ML and DL? ML works in a particular way, DL works in a particular way. Okay, we will not go into technical details, those videos I keep creating, but here let us try to understand how do you differentiate. ML works in one way, DL works in other way. Now let us understand the data requirement. All of you know that deep learning algorithm typically works good on larger data set. On the other hand, machine learning algorithm typically works well on, let us say, comparatively smaller data sets. Okay, when I say small data set and large data set, it is both in terms of features and both in terms of rows as well, which means dimensions and number of rows as well. So deep learning model are designed in such a way that if you give more data and if your data has some kind of pattern, then it will try to find out the pattern in that data. On the other hand, machine learning algorithms are built in such a way that if data size is limited, it will try to find out a pattern in that. Now when we compare data size, we should also keep in mind the hardware requirements, right? So in deep learning models, to run a deep learning model, you need good hardware support, which means the RAM size, the processing, all these hardware capabilities of your processor. On the other hand, for typically machine learning, you will need little lesser requirement for RAM or processing power, all these things, right? This is about the software and hardware aspect of machine learning and deep learning. One important thing to understand, guys, what kind of use cases tend to do good in machine learning and what kind of use cases will perform better in deep learning. Okay, so let us try to understand with an example. If I ask you how linear regression works, right, what you will tell me? You will tell me linear regression tries to fit a line to the data where it will try to minimize the distance between the points and the line, right? So you know how linear regression is working internally. This is your data, you give the data, and this is what happens internally, right? You know the mathematics of what is happening internally, you know the mathematics of what is coming out from that algorithm. If I ask you to explain me what is coming out in terms of coefficients, in terms of p-values, you can very well explain me, right? Let us come to another algorithm, deep learning algorithm, CNN, okay? So in CNN, you give 1 million images as an input, okay? What you can set in CNN, just try to think once. You can set your activation functions, you can set how many neurons you want, you can set different kind of optimizers what you need. But if someone asks you what is happening internally, can you explain the mathematics step by step? That is a difficult thing to do. So for what purpose we use deep learning and for what purpose we use machine learning? If you need explainability in your model, explainability means you want to understand what is happening at every stage, then you go for typically machine learning algorithms. If you are just worried about the right predictions or correct accuracy or more accuracy, you don't care about the explanation of the model, then you go for the deep learning models. And as I told you, all these models are built or designed to do a particular kind of task in a particular way. So you also have to think what data you are supplying and in what order or what dimension or in what form you are supplying your data. So if you supply a very huge dimension data to a machine learning algorithm, maybe it will be a problem for this algorithm. On the other hand, if you supply same data to a deep learning algorithm, maybe deep learning algorithm will be able to find out the pattern. So this is how machine learning is an bigger umbrella inside AI. Under machine learning, there are different things. Out of those different things, deep learning is one particular thing. Where from deep learning is born? From the concept of artificial neural network. And I already explained you what kind of scenarios you go for machine learning, what kind of scenarios you go for deep learning, when your machine learning models will tend to do good and when your deep learning models will tend to do good. I hope I was clear on whether machine learning is a subset of deep learning or it's other way around, or what is the difference between ML and DL. And if somebody asks you in interview, how do you explain the pluses and minuses of machine learning and deep learning both? Okay. So let me know what is going in your mind, what questions you have. I'll see you all in the next video with another interesting topic. Till then, stay safe and take care.